So hi guys, so for today's video, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to use the IFTTT. And by the way, IFTTT stands for If This Then That. So it's a web-based service that allows us to create automated tasks called applets by connecting different apps, services, and devices. So it enables the users to streamline and automate various online tasks without the need for complex programming. So first, we have to go to our ifttt.com. Okay, so since I already had an account, all I have to do is make that applet wherein I wanted to back up my new Facebook photos that I will upload into my Google Drive. Okay, so let's search for Facebook. So it's a Facebook, and here some automations that you can do. So you can choose from here, or you can actually create or what kind. So I'm looking for the backup of the photos to the Google Drive. Some backups, share new photos, save links, share Facebook Twitter. This trigger fires every time you post a new photo on Facebook. So this one, create a trigger. You can add here is not connected, so I will just on this, check the, so it's already turned on. Let's go back. Check completed. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, let's try if it really works. I'm going to log into my Facebook account. So this is my Facebook account, and I'm going to upload a photo. See which photo we can upload in here. Maybe this one. Okay, so see? So it is uploaded already. Yeah, let's just wait for a little bit time, like maybe 30 seconds before we check it out into the Google Drive. See if it is already in the Google Drive. Yeah, so it's here already. I can, yeah. So this is my Facebook photos that I edited just now in the IFTTT. So it will come here. Right, so thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video.